manipulated the vowel a lot, like the song necessitates, right? Let it take over. What's up, my friends? What's up, my Geratones? I am back with another vocal analysis, vocal breakdown. I'm back with another one of those. This is going to be something different. I don't always get to do on this channel. I've done videos from this series many times, but I wanted to do these because I always enjoy these videos that TERRELL does. So shout outs to you, TERRELL. The show is amazing. I love what you do. Been loving what you do for years. I've analyzed many of your videos, and I love them. I love them. I do. I still love them to this day because these videos have such great material to analyze because it's like the raw vocals, no music, no nothing. It's just sitting on a stool singing. I love that concept. You just have some fun moments with this. So I wanted to talk about a few of my favorite vocal moments from the TERRELL show with these different artists that he usually has on his platform. So I want to start out with the one and only Miss TORI Kelly, y'all. Y'all know we love her here. So y'all, let's dive into this and watch it together.
And let it take over. And love will
I love how she did that over. If you notice, the word is let it take over, right? But she manipulated the vowel a lot, like the song necessitates, right? Let it take over. See what I'm doing right there? I butchered the run, but the idea that I'm trying to show you is how she manipulated the vowel, or really manipulated the whole word, to be honest. Let it take over. So you hear a mix of like the VER, the OV, over. So you hear a lot of manipulation within the word itself, but it's over. Let it take over, then love. Ooh, I'm out of breath right there. But you see the ideas I'm trying to get at. It's playing with the word itself in that run. So you notice the word was way. The way. Again, manipulating the vowel. This time it's the vowel, not so much the word, but the vowel this time. Way. You see, I'm moving my tongue around, I'm moving my jaw around, so I'm changing the shape of the vowel, though we still hear the word way, okay? We still hear the word way, but it's way,
Oh, you're my lady, right? You're my lady. Is that the, are those the words?
Lady, come on, that's okay.
We heard the beat.
This is the part.
You're my lady. You're my lady.
I just love how she took her time in the lady. She kind of manipulated that a little bit. You're my lady. You see his lady. So she kind of almost added like a neutralized shadow vowel in lady. Because the word is lady. You're my lady. But she did something like lady. And I think the soft palette kind of played in there too. The soft palette kind of wavered up and down a little bit. You're my lady. So she really sang in the diphthong and in the phoneme, in that vowel. Lady. Okay? You're my lady. It kind of had like a breathy off throw, you know, offset at the end of that.
I love how much, there's so much space in his music.
And I love that point of how there's so much space in his music. Let the song breathe. D'Angelo was so good and is so good at letting the song breathe in his songwriting and his delivery. A lot of times you don't need to fill up stuff, you know, what runs. Just let the song breathe. Let the spaces happen. I love that point.
Now I'm stronger than yesterday. Now it's nothing but my way. My loneliness ain't killing me no more. She has a crazy run in this song actually too.
You see how she changed it to Britney Spears voice? Loneliness ain't killing me no more. So it kind of got breathier. The tongue killing me no more. There's more vocal fry. The tongue kind of sits up. Can't let me know more. Instead of more, where the vocal folds are more closer together, it's more. The tongue kind of sits out and high a little bit. More, but kind of flat in a way too. Yeah, kind of like that. With the that Britney Spears sound, she went right into that Britney Spears sound quickly. That's what I wanted y'all to hear. I just love that.
How's it go?
Sing,
That is a nice little run, Britney. Shout outs to you, girl.
Toxic.
Baby, can't you say I'm falling?
You hear that vocal fry again. Baby, can't you say I'm falling? That vocal fry is that vocal slack, that Door Creek sound, plus that tongue, and that breathiness, that kind of chesty breathiness. Baby, can't you see I'm falling? With the little scoops in there, that's a Britney Spears sound.
A guy like you should wear a warning. It's dangerous. I'm falling. I don't think I've done that one actually. Sail on, silver girl.
Did you hear silver? It was a silver girl. So the L became like a W. Or like a ooh. Silver girl.
Sail on by. Your time has come to shine.
Shine. She stayed on that N consonant a little longer. Shine.
All your dreams are on their way. See how they shine.
She's taking her time. She's letting this breathe. Even in this acapella-ness. And you hear the scoops. She's really using those scoops intentionally in specific spots. But she's using those slight vocal scoops. You know, vocal throws, or you want to call them. I call them scoops when it's like ascending, and vocal throws when they're descending, if you will. So these little scoops. And when she did that run coming down, she really sung through every single phoneme. Again, taking her time to articulate every single sound that she needs to articulate. Every single phoneme, every single language sound, every single, vibration she needed to articulate or to emote, to display, to deliver. She did that.
Oh, if you need a friend, I'm sailing right.
I'm sailing right. More vocal throws or vocal scoops, vocal fry. I'm sailing. And that friend, again, nasal consonant, friend, with that hard D at the end. Again, every phoneme is pronounced. Every phoneme.
Behind like a bridge.
Do you hear that little grit? A bridge. It's real slight, but it comes in when she gets thicker. But you notice her body is here. She's not. And she almost hooks it into the nose. Like a bridge over troubled. But that grit, that slight compression, which gives that slight gritty vocal color, it's so light on her. So it kind of comes in and out very briefly and very quickly. But with that hooking in the nose, that like a bridge, she really stays in that space the whole time. So when she gets thicker and goes higher, it's so easy. She just sounds like she's in the studio all the time when she sings live. Like, that's crazy. Like, she sounds like she's in the studio recording, but like she's singing on the stool, singing this. Like, her voice is so clean and clear. I just love it.
Oh, but troubled water.
Water, not water. Water. It's not water. Water.
I will lay me down.
I will lay. She went into more of the E sound of the diphthong. I will lay me down. Whatever the run is, I can't remember it. But you see, she went into the E instead of lay me down. She went into the E. That's interesting. Beautiful.
Lay me, lay me, lay me down. Lay me down. Lay me down.
Lay me down. You see, lay. She went into the E as she yodeled up, if you will, or hit that register flip. Lay. Instead of lay. No, she did lay. But then went back to the A as she came back down into more of that chesty modal sound there.
Lay me, lay me, lay me. Lay me down.
Put your hands together for Tori Kelly in here.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you.
Every night in my dreams, I see you. Breathy onset. I see you. It's a quick breathy onset, almost like a quick aspirate, abrupt aspirate. Every night in my dreams, I see you. I feel you. And that breathy onset can really encourage a more breathy sound.
That is how I know you. Go on. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that the heart does go on.
I believe, instead of believe, I believe. And the I was even a little bit more longer. I believe. So all kind of say it in that same shape. You can say believe or believe depending what you want. Believe, believe, they're both right. It's just what you want. She wanted believe.
We'll stay forever this way. You are safe in my heart, and my heart will go on and on.
Don't clap yet, because I want you to go to the climax. And I want you to belt that shit like you are Celine Dion.
You're here. There's nothing I fear, and I know that the heart does go on.
You notice she has puffs of air at the end of her phrases. You're here. There's nothing I fear. And I know that the heart does go on. So it's almost like she's letting out air. Some people may call it residual air.
We'll stay forever this way. You're safe in my heart, and
Tori is so technically good. Like, she is so technically, vocal technically, like, amazing. Look at her body when she's going high and kind of belting it more. She's not reaching up. She's not, she's really aligning herself the way she wants to and really keeps a more stabilized position. Boom. We'll stay forever. She really keeps that position the entire time as she's belting. It's not, we'll stay forever. Ooh, she's here. She's here the whole time.
my heart will go on far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way, but we knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make it, but
I bet. That bet was almost a D instead of a T at the end. They said, I bet. Instead of bet. Bet we'll never make it. So the T of it was not there either. Make it, make it, make it. She's really being intentional about what she's letting go phoneme wise. They said, I bet they'll never make it, but just look. Yeah, that fits the vibe of the song and fits her vibe, you know?
just look at us holding on. Still together, still going strong. Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I kiss goodnight.
That was interesting. Good night. So the G, it was the of G, but then it was a vocal fry before the vowel. Good night, something like that. Good. Okay, we do it now. Good night. Good. Or maybe the vocal fry took place in a G. Something like that happened, but the vocal fry definitely was there. You heard it. Good night. Or maybe good night. Something like that. That was interesting.
You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of, still the one I kiss goodnight, still the one.
I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed watching it with y'all. And as I will always forever say to you, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. I love you so much. I'll see you soon.